Trigonometry has wide application in calculating the heights of buildings and distances of objects from the building, etc. The angle between the horizontal line from the observer's eye and the line from the eye to the object above the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. If the object is below the horizontal line, then the angle is called angle of depression. If the object is above the level of the horizontal line, above the eye level, we turn our head upwards to view the object. Here, our eyes move through an angle. This angle is called the angle of elevation of the object. For example, we move our head upwards to observe a kite in the sky. Here, the eyes move through an angle, which is called the angle of elevation of the object. If the object is below the level of the horizontal line, below the eye level, we turn our head downwards to view the object. Here, our eyes move through an angle. This angle is called the angle of depression of the object. For example, we move our head downwards to observe a ball on the ground from a tree. Observe the angle of depression by dragging the ball. The angle of elevation from a point A, as seen from a point O, is the same as the angle of depression of point O, as seen from point A. Select the hand symbol and drag the pedestrian appearing. Observe that the angle of elevation of the man standing in the balcony seen by the man is same as the angle of depression of the pedestrian seen by the man in the balcony. One of the uses of trigonometry is to find the angle of elevation of the sun at a particular time. With help of the shade of objects under the sun, the angle of elevation of the sun is calculated. For example, a vertical pole is 15 meters high and the length of its shadow is 20 meters. The angle of elevation of the sun is calculated by using geometric ratios. A special device called clinometer is used to measure angles. After measuring the angle of elevation, the altitude of the building can then be calculated. For example, an observer finds the angle of elevation of a school building from a distance of 10 meters is 60 degrees. The height of the school building is calculated. Trigonometry is mainly used in finding the heights of the buildings and the distances between the objects. Here is a different type of application. The bulb of a pendulum of 0.4 meter long is 4 centimeters higher at the maximum position than at its minimum position. The angle of the swing is calculated using trigonometric ratio. Observe that the angle of the swing is nothing but the angle of elevation of the bulb on each side of the vertical. The use of bearing to the true bearing to a point is the angle measured in degrees in a clockwise direction from the north line. We will refer to the true bearing simply as the bearing. Note: 1. 3 digits are used to denote bearings. 2. All bearings are measured in a horizontal plane. Drag the point P to know its bearing in different positions. A bearing is used to represent the direction of one point with respect to another point. Note the following. 1. 3 figures are used to give bearings. 2. All bearings are measured in a horizontal plane. Drag the points A and B to find the bearing of B from A. Here, the map of a city is given. Choose any 2 locations to find the bearing.